Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix General 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, so this change here looks like, yeah, I did push here. Then, let's see. Yeah, then I think I would just say it has successfully built, so then I will then I will take this guy rebase it on main, auto squash. Okay. Make one more sanity check. Game memory. NPR. Let me push that. And I would say we build it once on VC6, 0 hour. And then we just run it against the replay for mismatch tests. Yeah. Yeah. We should probably pause. Mismatch. Game recorder. Yeah. So this one change we added. This guy here. Pause the game on mismatch. Yeah. I think we also need to make a pull request for this guy. We just end up in a situation I can never get to fix a light bulb. Well, so well, building hack on top of hack gets it to the state that this code base is in unstable. Yeah, it's a problem. Like if you just build hacks, and you just like spaghetti everything together, then it really becomes hard to untangle this mess because everything is just interlinked and somehow this logic relies on that logic. If you touch this, you break that thing, right? So it's like a maze. And you touch one thing and it affects other things unexpectedly because these things are just intermingled in ways. And it's really bad. It's not a route we should go. We should not add more mess to this game. We should understand what is a mess. We should untangle the mess, fix it up, and then move on. And not adding more hacks to try make it work for what we want to do. That is not a good approach. I really disagree. He disagrees with me. He just wants to get things to work. But that exactly creates this mess. It's just like the thing works, yeah, but there will be bugs, stability issues. There will be things that won't work just right in unexpected way. So it's and it just becomes more pain. Like the more mess you build, like you layer on top, the more effort it will require to untangle all this mess, right? So I don't know. It just makes it even harder in the long term than to untangle it. So I don't know, if we identify a problem, try to find the best solution. Try to find the best solution that we can think of instead of like adding a hack into it, right? Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so this one has built, yeah. Let me save this file and then build once more. Yeah. Oh man. Sorry. Set game paused, yeah. Okay, we need to build once more because it didn't link now. Good. Then we copy these files and we drop them in here, and then change this, and then we do that. Good. So load, yeah, load replay, and golden replay. There we go. All right. Then we have it run through here. Good. You're not wrong. The CI will be beneficial to check bigger changes, to verify bigger changes. Okay. Good. I think that looks fine. time being, we can test locally until we reach automation. Can test locally. Okay. Good. That worked. Then let me write here tested against BC6 golden replay. Pass that. Good. Then we have good. Scaling font with resolution. Fonts don't scale me. How about make this a comment in the other reports? Now we have 2 reports for this. Tested a VC6 with USA Air Force Gen, no problems. Yes, please also test against golden replay. What did he already do with that? Let's see. Just ran. It did not mismatch. Okay. 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 This change is not for stability, right? It's for warnings, compiler warnings, yeah. Then we put it into the code foundation buildup. What is this here? Relates to game cursors unit do not scale well. Container do not scale. This looks also to be a duplicate of this here. Maybe it could have also been merged with the other. I don't know why. It seems like this, like a duplicate, right? Yeah. Okay, what do we have here? As people with the issues say that this resolves the problem. I don't get the problem, but the changes are sensible as the game already checks for device loss. Appropriate recovers without the need for the dirty hack. Yeah. Do we have anyone that can test on Windows XP? $2. What's that? Okay, then I want to create a change for the set pause thingy. Okay. So, let me search for this entry here. Let me copy this. Pause the game on mismatch. We need to go to main. Oof. Stash. Okay. Debug. Mismatch. Pause. Stash pop. Gen ZH. Pause. Replay on CRC and mismatch. Then we go to this change pauses replay playback on CRC mismatch. Let me also, we have a screenshot here. Wow. The mismatch message is visible on pause. It's visible when the game is paused. Mismatch text message is visible. The game, the replay can be unpaused by pressing escape twice to open and close the exit menu. Labels, minor. Minor tests. Then let's get back to main branch. Manage stashes here, throw, stash pop. Okay. Okay, so we have the throw here, catch, try catch, error loading block. Okay. Save all. Gen ZH. No longer so this was a call stack, right? Save game info from file. Get save game info from file. Add game to minimalist. Iterate save. So what's the consequence if this hits? Let me see. So if this here hits, game info not found. Done. Save game info. Maybe we should return here. Return instead of throw. Let me see. Get save game info from file. Yeah, it's I would say we put a breakpoint here. Yeah. So we have debug, yeah, everything's in there. Let's compile this once. Okay. Then let's launch the game. Okay. Okay, so if we go on loads and then load game, then we get this error. Yeah. So what does it actually fail on? What exactly? Oof. Do crash box. What? Okay. Okay. X for implementation. Sanity X. X. F reads. F reads. Data size 1 M. Huh? Exception thrown. Error reading from file. Why? Why is this erroring though? File name. Let me open my folder here. Documents. Data. Save. 005. It's 1 kilobytes. What is in there? Chunk game state. Okay. Okay. Why is this failing? Unknown version. Let me get this core stack here. X for read error. What does it? I don't understand. Why is this erroring? Snapshot X for this. Version 2. Get structure for our current game info. Okay, so it fails on number 5. Does it fail on this one? Oh, there's some information here. So this number 5, what is it? Where does this come from then? Game state. Game state. Could it be that this is from Thyme, some failed Thyme saves? Could be. Yeah. So okay, so if we skip that thing, then we go in here, yeah, and we debug crash, which is another pop-up, ignore, yes, okay, and then it would say this is all null, available games null. Okay, so it contains no data whatsoever. 06 as well. This one is failing. Same thing, right? Looks about the same, yeah. Data size. Data. X for version. What is this? A byte. 1 byte. Version data. It fails to load 1 byte. What? Got another one. Ten. Another one. 11. Okay, so there are a whole bunch of saves that just fail. Let me try to find which one it is. So 5th 5/2/2023. 5/2/5 here. This one? 5/2. 21/08. 21/20. Oh. 21/08/08. It's probably this one here, right? I think we're looking at these guys here. Yeah, this one. Okay, so it's not showing up in the list, so that's good. Oh, here. There we go. There are these entries. Okay. Let me take a screenshot. Paint. Okay, so I think what we can do is this function. Let's see where it's called. Here. Save game info from file. Get save game info from try. There's why is there try? Oh boy. Bye. Jesus. Do nothing. Oof. Try catch. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, what is this code? Oh my gosh. Okay, so well, if we eliminated the throw in here, oh, there's another throw. The throw. So the throw actually doesn't do any harm because there's another try catch up ahead. Okay, so actually we don't need to do that, right? Let me see. It is a bit sad though. Load game, ignore, yes. Then it does this bullshit, then it goes in here. Then I have another, and then we throw again. A rethrow. Where are we? What is this? Throw. Catch, right. Oh, I really don't like this throw bullshit. Okay, but then it's not a fail. Okay. Okay, well, it's just sad implementation, but we don't need to do anything. It's not failing. Okay. Then we reset this and we don't do anything. Good. Then Scaling unit health bars. Why 2 new classes? The reason for that was a member. The reason for laser radius is visibility of its members. Base has protected functions. Laser radius update turns all of them public, but laser update does not, because it does not want to expose them all. Of its function, of its member methods, member functions. Because it uses them internally and does not want to expose them all for others to call. Wouldn't it be easier to understand if was a member? The reason the reason I chose inheritance over composition was the ability of protected and public protectedness and selectively exposing public member functions. The ability to make functions protected and expose them by using expose them and selectively change their visibility with using this composition. This is not easily done. Protected in the base class with using. This cast is unnecessary. Is that so? I need to test that. Let me see. Return this. Yeah. Is that also true for this one then? Huh. Okay. Well, that's much simpler. Well, I mean, if it's so simple, I might as well just make it inline. So how about we take this guy and then we put that here. Return this. If it is so simple. Um, simplify. Fixed. Good. Implement headless mode. Good. Then I think I will check the headless mode stuff next session. Yeah. Which probably will take a while because it's probably a big change. Yeah. Good. Then yeah, I will take a break here. Just 1 hour. Good. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.